In this video, I'm going to introduce you to Pixellab app. So, Pixellab app is a graphic design application, and it is among the best graphic design application you can use on your smartphone. So it has many features, as you can see. This is the first place it will take you once you open the application, and this is your workspace. All your work is being done here, and on top of it you can see 5 different icons, and below are 5 different icons. This plus icon, it is where you will click to write your text or see the current day, import a sticker, import a shape, import image from your gallery, or sketch any diagram. So like the first one, text, and you see I click on text. So for you to edit this text, you are just going to do double click on it like this. When you double click, it will take you to where you will edit the text. For instance, let me write answer digital hub. This is just an instance. So after writing this, you may need to either change the font or color of the text, or change the style of the text. To do that, you are going to click on this A. I'm very sure you can all see it because I'm using, so once you click this A, you can see things like edit, delete text, copy to front to back, position. All these are all features you can use on your text. For instance, if you click here, that means you are going to edit. Okay, no need to edit anything. When you click on copy, that means you copy the text exactly with the same font and color. So that's it. And you may need to use this thing to centralize your text. Maybe when you want to centralize it at the middle, or on top, or down. All this is called relative position, and you may need to change the color of the text. You can use this, and you see. So all these are colors, and this is opacity. This opacity, you can use it to you can use it whether you want your text to be visible enough or you want to hide it. And this is texture. This also like something you will add as a color. And this padding is when you use a color. It is when you use a font that is not appearing all. Like, let me select a font. You see, all of these are fonts. The first one, fonts. These are the fonts that your application come with. And this my fonts. These are the fonts I downloaded and imported them to this application. So all these fonts, I downloaded them myself, and these recent are the fonts I used recently. So this padding is what you'll use to make the font visible, so that the either side will be visible enough. That's the importance of this padding. And this is to rotate your text. So all these are just some of the features. You can see 3D text effects. When you want your text to appear in this format, you'll use this feature, 3D. Yeah, that's just it. And when you click on the plus icon again, you will see that you can import a sticker. All these are the stickers you can find on your application, and you can use them the way you want. Yep. When you go back again, you will see shapes. By clicking on this, you are going to click here again, and you can find different shapes here. And even if you cannot find any shape here, you can download them from the internet and import them into a Pixellab. And you can also import an image directly from your gallery. For instance, like this image, and you see I imported it from your gallery. And when you want to make any change to this image, you are going to come and click this icon at the middle. So this icon at the middle, this is where you are going to click in order to make any changes on your image. So can you see you can copy your image, you can crop the image. Can you see? You can crop it and you can make a copy of it if you like. You can make a copy. You can delete image by clicking this icon. So all this you can use position to position your image. You can change the color, and when you want to remove the background of your image directly from the application, you can come to this erase color. You can click on this erase color. Can you see the color has been deleted, but this feature is not working fine? So I will teach you the other method to remove this. So all this uh, that's all about editing your image. You can also change the color of the image. There is a feature that enables you to do that. And you see you can make any changes. So that's it. This is not a frequently used feature. You can just use it to draw anything you want. Yeah, that's it. So this icon you are seeing here, this deals with background. This deals with background. You can select this to make any changes to your background. This image size you are seeing is how you want the size of your image to appear. Like this is a default size. This is the default size of the background, and it is the size of the image. That's 1:80 by 1:80. It is the same thing as 4:4. This is the same thing as 4:4. Can you see the size? So when you want to change it, maybe you want to reduce the height of the image, you want to change the height of the image, you can use 4:2. And you see how the image size has reduced now. So this about background, you can change the color of the background by clicking on this color. Maybe you want to use color as your background. You see, or you want to use gradients. This is called gradients. There are different gradients. So, or maybe you want to use image as your background. You are going to click on this from gallery and locate any place you save an image and just import it like this one. Like this one, can you see? You'll just click on from gallery and import them. So that's all about introduction to this application, and as we are going, I will be teaching you more of it. And when you make a design and you want to save it, you are going to click on this icon here. That's save. And when you want to make when you make any mistake in your design and you want to undo the mistake, you are going to click on this icon here, this undo button, and it's going to undo the mistake you did. And when you save your work as project, like when you save your work as project, that means you will still have access to that work, and you are going to see it here. Just click on the first icon here and click on my project. You are going to see all the works you saved as projects here. That's it. All these are templates that you don't have to bother about them. So I wish to see you in the next class. Thanks for watching this video.